This is YK6M21 utility diesel engine, with a displacement of 12.54 liters and a maximum power output of 735 kilowatts, ranging from 599 to 735 kilowatts. Maximum torque reaches 3,300 nanometers, meeting both China 2 and IMO 2 emission standards. It utilizes two-stage turbocharging and intercooling technology, delivering a specific power output of 58.6 kilowatts. The fuel system utilizes high-pressure common rail technology, using 2,280 liters of fuel. Fuel consumption is as low as 190 grams per kilowatt-hour. Its low-noise design, with an overall noise level of no more than 102 decibels, makes it an ideal engine for yachts, government vessels, and passenger ships.